Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to boost players in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and Campaigns. Hitting the bottom, you're going to find My Team, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and Sets. So basically guys, in order to boost players, go ahead and click on My Team. And then from here, you're going to find all of your active players. And in the left, you're going to find your active boost or bonus. So for me, for example, I'm activating this boost item. That boosts my rewards. I'm going to go back and, for example, if you click on any player, for example, I'm going to click on Davis. And as you can see, guys, right here next to the player card, you're going to find all of the informations related to this player. And also you're going to find the active boosts and also the bench boosts. If you want to see your boost items, go back and then here in the top, you're going to find view all items. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find your a list that includes your players. You're going to find your boost items, collectibles, courts, jerseys, and lastly, the unclaimed items. So if you click on boost items, right here, you're going to find all of your boosts, and you can use any boost that you want to boost a player in your team. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.